How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly verify your Namecheap domain for Google Workspace, as well as vice versa. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that if you guys are interested in using Namecheap as a domain and hosting site, be sure to check out our link down in the description below to get access to some cool discounts on hosting as well as domains. And by doing so, you'll be greatly supporting the channel. So with that said, thank you, and now back to the video. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first order of business is to actually verify the domain in the Google Admin Console. And to do so is quite simple. Just want to log into your Google account, head on over to the Admin Console for Workspace, and then on the homepage, there should be an option that says Verify Domain. So this is right on top of the domain that you have registered for your Google Workspace account. So depending on what hosting site you have set up for Google Workspace, this option should be available to you. So once you click on Verify Domain, basically just follow the on-screen instructions, click on Next, and then it should show you the URL or the domain name that you want to verify. So simply click on Verify, and this usually takes up to an hour, more or less, to verify whether it's properly integrated into Workspace. But once you're done with that, you're ready for the next step, which is to extract the verification code, or I should say the text record. So click on Continue, and you want to copy the generated text code provided by Google Domain, or I should say Google Workspace. So once you have this copied, you want to head on over to your Namecheap account and basically follow this path here. So you want to log in, navigate to the domains list, manage, advanced DNS, host records, and add a new record, and you want to select text record. So here's where you want to paste the text record that we just copied from Google Workspace. So you want to click on it, save changes, and then you want to click on mail settings and have it configured to Gmail, and then save changes. Now, this process may actually take a few minutes to take effect, and at the very most, it takes like half an hour for it to be properly integrated. So after that, go back to Google Workspace to verify the domain. As you can see, click on Verify Domain, and this final stretch would take you guys 5 minutes to verify. And once everything is in order and everything's properly integrated, you're done. You've successfully verified your Namecheap domain for Google Workspace. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that if you're still interested in using Namecheap as a hosting and domain site, be sure to click our link down in the description below to get access to some cool discounts on hosting as well as domains. And by doing so, you'll be greatly supporting the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.